Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the crankshaft, a vital component of your car's engine. We'll cover what a crankshaft is, its functions, its importance, and the symptoms of a bad crankshaft. But before we begin, hit that subscription button and turn on the notification bell so you're always the first to catch our latest automotive insights. Let's dive right in. What is a crankshaft? First, let's understand what a crankshaft is. The crankshaft is a key part of an internal combustion engine. Its main job is to convert the up and down motion of the pistons into rotational motion, which powers the vehicle. Now, let's discuss the 5 functions of a crankshaft in a car engine. Number 1. Conversion of linear to rotational motion. The primary function of a crankshaft is to convert the linear, up and down, motion of the pistons into rotational motion. This process begins when the pistons move up and down within the engine cylinders as a result of combustion. The connecting rods attach the pistons to the crankshaft at offset angles. As the pistons move, these rods push and pull on the crankshaft's throws, or crankpins, causing the crankshaft to rotate. This rotation is then transferred to the vehicle's drivetrain, ultimately powering the wheels. Number 2. Power transmission. The crankshaft serves as a vital link between the engine and the drivetrain, responsible for transmitting the power generated by the engine to the vehicle's transmission. As the crankshaft rotates, it converts the combustion energy into mechanical energy, which is then sent through the transmission system to the drive wheels. This transmission of power allows the vehicle to move and perform various driving functions. Number 3. Balancing engine operation. To ensure smooth engine operation, the crankshaft must balance the forces generated by the pistons. It achieves this through the use of counterweights, which are strategically placed along the crankshaft to offset the reciprocating mass of the pistons and connecting rods. By balancing these forces, the crankshaft minimizes vibrations and reduces the stress on engine components, leading to a smoother and more stable engine performance. Number 4. Driving auxiliary components. The crankshaft is also responsible for driving several auxiliary components that are essential for the engine's operation. This includes the alternator, which generates electrical power, the water pump, which circulates coolant to maintain optimal engine temperature, and the timing belt or chain, which synchronizes the operation of the camshaft and valves with the pistons. By driving these components, the crankshaft ensures that the engine operates efficiently and all necessary functions are maintained. Number 5. Synchronization. Synchronization of the engine's internal components is critical for efficient combustion and overall engine performance. The crankshaft plays a key role in this by ensuring that the pistons and valves move in perfect harmony. It works in conjunction with the camshaft, which controls the opening and closing of the engine valves. The precise timing of these movements is crucial for proper air-fuel mixture intake, combustion, and exhaust processes. The crankshaft's ability to synchronize these actions ensures optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. The crankshaft is an essential component of an internal combustion engine, performing multiple critical functions that ensure the smooth and efficient operation of the vehicle. From converting piston motion to rotational motion and transmitting power to balancing the engine and driving auxiliary components, the crankshaft's roles are indispensable for the engine's performance and longevity. Understanding these functions highlights the importance of maintaining and monitoring the crankshaft for any signs of wear or damage. Next, let's explore the 5 importance of the crankshaft in a car engine. The crankshaft is a fundamental component of a car engine, playing several critical roles in ensuring the engine operates efficiently and effectively. Let's delve deeper into the 5 key aspects of its importance. Number 1. Engine performance. 1A. Efficiency. The crankshaft's primary job is to convert the linear motion of the pistons into rotational motion. This conversion needs to be smooth and precise for the engine to run efficiently. A well-functioning crankshaft ensures that the energy generated from the combustion process is effectively transformed into mechanical power that propels the vehicle. Power delivery. By ensuring a smooth rotational motion, the crankshaft helps in delivering consistent power to the wheels. This consistency is crucial for maintaining the engine's performance and responsiveness. 2. Fuel efficiency. 2A. Optimal combustion. the crankshaft's role in ensuring the precise timing and synchronization of the piston's movements contributes to optimal combustion. Efficient combustion reduces fuel wastage, thereby improving the vehicle's fuel efficiency. 2b. Reduced friction. A balanced crankshaft reduces unnecessary friction within the engine. Lower friction means that the engine doesn't have to work as hard, which can lead to better fuel economy. Number 3. Durability. 3a. Stress resistance. The crankshaft is designed to withstand high levels of stress and pressure from the pistons. It is usually made from high-strength materials like forged steel to handle these extreme conditions. A durable crankshaft contributes to the overall longevity of the engine, reducing the need for frequent replacements. 3b. Wear and tear. By distributing the engine's load evenly, the crankshaft minimizes uneven wear and tear on the engine's internal components. This balanced distribution is crucial for maintaining the engine's integrity over time. Number 4. Reduced vibration. For engine balance, the crankshaft is equipped with counterweights that balance the engine's operation by offsetting the forces generated by the moving pistons. This balance reduces vibrations that can cause discomfort and noise while driving. For comfort and stability, reduced engine vibration leads to a smoother and more stable ride, enhancing the overall driving experience. It also helps in prolonging the life of other engine components by minimizing the stress caused by excessive vibrations. Number 5. Power distribution. 5a. Even distribution. The crankshaft ensures that power is evenly distributed to all cylinders. This even distribution is crucial for balanced engine operation, preventing some cylinders from working harder than others. 5b. Preventing engine knock. By maintaining synchronization and balance, the crankshaft helps prevent engine knock, a condition where the air-fuel mixture in the cylinders explodes unevenly. Engine knock can lead to significant damage if not addressed, making the crankshaft's role in preventing it extremely important. The crankshaft is more than just a mechanical part, it's a key player in the overall performance, efficiency, and durability of your car's engine. Its ability to convert linear motion to rotational motion, ensure optimal fuel efficiency, enhance engine longevity, reduce vibrations, and evenly distribute power makes it indispensable. Understanding its importance can help you appreciate the complexity of your vehicle's engine and the necessity of regular maintenance to keep it running smoothly. Finally, let's look at 5 symptoms of a bad crankshaft. Number 1. Engine vibration. Excessive engine vibration is a common symptom of a bad crankshaft. The crankshaft has counterweights that balance the engine's operation, reducing vibrations. If the crankshaft is damaged or worn, these counterweights may not function correctly, leading to noticeable shaking or vibrations while the engine is running. This can make the driving experience uncomfortable and may lead to further damage to other engine components if not addressed promptly. Number 2. Low oil pressure. A damaged crankshaft can lead to low oil pressure in the engine. The crankshaft is supported by bearings that ensure smooth rotation. When these bearings wear out or are damaged, they can cause oil leaks, leading to a drop in oil pressure. Low oil pressure can cause insufficient lubrication of engine parts, resulting in increased friction, overheating, and potential engine failure. Monitoring oil pressure and addressing any drops immediately can help prevent severe engine damage. Number 3. Knocking sounds. Knocking or clunking sounds from the engine can indicate a damaged crankshaft. These sounds often occur due to excessive play or clearance in the crankshaft bearings. When the crankshaft is not securely held in place, it can move around more than it should, causing metal-on-metal contact and producing knocking noises. This symptom should not be ignored, as continued operation with a knocking crankshaft can lead to catastrophic engine failure. Number 4. Engine misfires. A faulty crankshaft can cause the engine to misfire. The crankshaft position sensor monitors the position and speed of the crankshaft, providing critical information to the engine control unit, ECU, for proper ignition timing and fuel injection. If the crankshaft is damaged or the sensor fails to provide accurate data, the engine's timing can be thrown off, leading to misfires. Misfires can result in poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. Number 5. Difficulty starting the engine. A damaged crankshaft can make it difficult to start the engine. If the crankshaft is bent or the bearings are excessively worn, the engine may crank slowly or not crank at all. This is because the starter motor relies on the crankshaft to rotate the engine and initiate the combustion process. Difficulty starting the engine can be a sign of serious internal engine issues, including problems with the crankshaft, and should be inspected by a professional mechanic immediately. Recognizing the symptoms of a bad crankshaft early can prevent extensive damage to your engine and save you from costly repairs. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's crucial to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic to diagnose and fix the issue promptly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching.